Feel my heart forever beating down. Don't know why it's always.
It's Memorial Weekend and we ain't going anywhere, but we're going somewhere.
I don't know where we're going, but we're going.
So let the beat rock. For all my Southside niggas that know.
Had to pull over to appreciate the landscape here. Take a look. Pretty nice, no? So we drove a little bit over 2 hours to Carrizo Plain, expecting to find a beautiful display of flowers like this picture, only to find out that the flowers came in wet and everything's dried out. So we're just gonna enjoy the moment by ourselves here in the middle of nowhere. And with our pseudo picnic.
Look, we like each other.
Not like that though.
Feel my heart forever beating down. Don't know why it's always doing this. If I was smart, I would have locked them out.
Now we're on our way back to LA and we stopped for this view. Just the contrast between the green, the mountains, and the sky is so breathtaking. Hard to see on the camera, but it really is. So yesterday on the way home, we saw this really cool lake off the highway. So we decided to come back today and check it out. It was only like 40 minutes away from home. It's called Pyramid Lake. It's pretty cool actually.
Around on my own, the only way back is the way back home. I gave you all my broken parts. Don't you know them all by heart? Build me up just like when I was young.
And we have now arrived Red Rock Park, not the one in Vegas. This is the one in California. Check this out. Does this feel like a different planet or what? This place is gnarly. Yeah.
You've been in California too long, bro. Too long.
Angelique, the worst at hikes. Fam, just walk. And that about concludes our Memorial Weekend. Did you have fun?
We found a lot of hidden gems.
And
We called it Mission Get Lost.
And we're gonna keep doing this every time we have a free weekend.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned till next time.
Feel my heart forever beating down. Don't know why it's always doing this. If I was smart, I would have locked them out. I can feel the demons creeping in. I invited them in. Oh, I tried to turn